Okay.
I hope I've started recording. Yeah, right. So rotate your hand clockwise, 360 degree,
Mm.
and then anti-clockwise, and then with the other hand, and anti-clockwise. Okay, all right. Now sit in Hanuman position like this.
Mm.
Keep your hands, take your hands up and rotate
Mm.
on the right hand side. Go to your right hand side as
Mm.
much as possible. Then go to your left hand side. Again on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side. Right? Then rotation. Okay. Then keep 360 degree.
இப்ப இப்ப கேக்குதா? இப்ப வீடியோ வந்துருச்சு. இது
We can hear you, Sriram.
நான் பேச நான் நீங்க பேச எனக்கு கேக்குது. நான் பேசுறது மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு கேட்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
No, I can hear you guys.
Yes, great.
Hello?
Let's
Okay, you can hear me now?
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
can.
Okay. அப்புறம்
I
கேக்குது
took that
நினைக்கிறேன். Okay.
today.
After the
பங்க தான் சொல்றேன்.
let's go to our knee
Sure.
rotation
Okay, okay.
and rotate your knees. Keep both the knees together and rotate them clockwise
பண்ணு.
and then anti-clockwise. And then inside out like this.
Bye, Mama.
And then
Mama.
inside out but anti-clockwise. Stretch your back, go towards backside, go towards ground and come up. Right? We'll do some half squats. Okay, let's do
Yeah.
squats, not full squats.
I want police songs.
1, 2,
I want police.
3,
Big please.
4,
I can't do it.
6, 7. But make sure that you are not your knees are not going outside. It's
Yeah, okay.
here and just move your back hips. Right?
கொஞ்சம் normal.
Okay. So then take your one leg at the front and then from your waist go towards bottom and try to touch the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right.
It's closed.
Kick your hips like this. Just free up your leg muscles completely.
Hey!
Right. And so this was for warm up. Warmed up. And we'll start with our now actual workout.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. So in our workout, we are now today focusing on our abs and then cardio. So we'll be doing alternatively abs workout and cardio workout. So all the abs workout will be done lying on the ground and cardio workout will be done standing. Okay. So we'll be going down, coming up, going down, coming up alternatively. Okay. So we'll start with our first abs workout. Ashia, we can see you now. Thanks. So we are just about to start our workout. So
I forgot to turn on the video.
all right. Your voice is very low, but I understood. Let's start. So we'll be doing abs. So abs will be done lying on the ground. So we'll start with the first abs. Okay. Hope you are able to see me. Okay. So we'll be doing cross elbow to knees. Okay. So take your left knee towards your right elbow and then down, up and then down. Don't touch the ground until you finish the rotation. So we'll do this 10 times. Okay.
Yeah,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. Do it slowly, but don't touch the ground. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then with the other leg and other hand combination. Cross elbow to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. The combination of left leg and right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Hold the legs with elbow, knee with the elbow for a moment, and then relax. And then with the other, one more time with the other leg and hand combination. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this was our first abs workout. Now we'll do our first cardio workout, which is jumping jack. Okay. Very easy, simple, but very important exercise. Jumping jack. We'll start. We'll do 30 jumping jacks. All right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. People who are having knee problems or having lot of weight, they can do modified way of jumping jack like this. 1, 2, 1, and 2. All right. But I know your loins, you're all fit. So we'll do it in full way. Now, the second abs workout we will do is dead bug. So I'll tell you how this dead bug looks. So take your knees at 90 degree, okay, and stretch your hands towards upward direction. This is dead bug position, and then we will alternatively rotate our legs like this. 1, then bring the right leg up, then left leg goes down, come up. Don't touch the ground, and alternatively keep changing your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it slowly and keep your legs up. Don't touch the ground. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. While doing this position, try to keep your neck little above the ground and legs as well. So only your middle body is lying on the ground whereas your neck is also up and your legs are also up little. Okay, so this was our second abs workout. Now we'll move to our second cardio workout, which is jumping rope. If you have rope in your house, great, use that. If not, just assume that you have a rope and you're jumping on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. People can do alternate like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Important is jumping your body. Whatever way you enjoy, do that way. Okay. So we'll do one more time. Jumping rope. Normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Then we'll switch to our third abs workout, which will be an advanced version of touching your toes. Okay. Take your legs at the top and try to touch your hands to your toes like this. 1, slightly tilt your knees so that your body can go up and then touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Don't relax. Just fold your knees in the relaxing position, 90 degree, and then go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then relax. If you have water, you need the water. Keep hydrated yourself. Don't go out of water. All right. Now we'll do our third cardio workout, which is side lunges. I hope you are all sports people, know what lunges is, and what I will tell you what side lunges. This is side lunge. Okay. We do straightforward lunge like this, but as part of cardio workout, we'll be doing side lunges. So this is the one lunge and then this second. Okay. So alternatively, we will moving left and then right, left and right. All right. So everyone has got it. We'll do in extensive way. Okay. Continuous. 1, 2. You can jump as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. The goal of cardio is to go out of breath. So if you are getting out of breath, you are doing it right. All right. Now we'll move to our fourth abs workout, which is dirty plank. You all know how the plank looks. Okay. Today we'll see how we'll do dirty plank. So this is go into plank position. All right. Not exact plank, but extended plank. And we have to bring our knees to our elbow like this. 1, I'll show you in front of you as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So we'll do it 10 into 2. All right. So this is dirty plank. We're doing it. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Right? Take some break. If you're tired, take some water. Use your towel to wipe your sweats and enjoy the moment. I hope you guys are enjoying sweating out in the cold
Yeah.
weather. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Keeping yourself hydrated is very, very important. I just took the water before the workout, so I'm absolutely fine now. But don't take water lightly. It is very, very, very important. Right? Now come back. We'll start with our fourth cardio workout, which is high knee raises. Okay. So take your knees as up as possible, like this. Okay. And we'll do it in a momentum. Okay. Cardio is always about the momentum. So we'll do in dancing way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Quite good. Now we'll go to our fifth abs workout, which is our London Bridge. Okay. Our city is famous. The UK is famous for one workout, which is London Bridge. What do you do? Again, keep your palms facing towards the ground. Keep your elbows on the ground. Your shoulders should be exactly at your elbow level. And take your hips up like this. Okay. I'll just show in this way as well. All right. Your shoulders at the length, at the level of your elbows, and your hips a little up. And then keep some gap in your legs. Go towards your right hand side and then go to left. The way London Bridge opens, the same way. Okay. I'll show you on the side view as well. So like this, keep some distance to your leg. And now do it with me. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Right? You must be, if you have not worked out for a long time, it must be paining for you, but don't worry, enjoy it. We'll be doing stretching after the workout so that your all muscles will be relaxed. So our last cardio workout is spot jogging. Okay, the world is locked down, the temperature is very, very low, not able to go out. Do the jogging at the spot. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do now fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Shiva, run like you take that small single run in the hands of the player. Jump like that, jog like that. So this was our complete set of abs plus cardio. And to challenge ourselves, because we are the player, we'll do it one more time. All right. So take some water, relax a bit, and then we'll start once again. I'll also take some water.
கேக்குது பட் வாய்ஸ் லோடா கேக்குதுடா வாய்ஸ் லோ
என்ன ஸ்ரீராம் பண்றானா இல்ல ஸ்ரீராம் பையன் பண்றானா
ஐ டோன்ட் நோ
என்ன ஸ்ரீராம்
Shriram, you can unmute.
Yeah, I unmuted. There's so much noise in the background, so I thought let it be unmuted itself.
Yeah. Actually, I muted you when you're doing.
Yeah, I know.
No, we are just wondered.
I thought of doing it, but I couldn't. He was playing too much.
Sure, your voice
He's
is
still
breaking.
playing in the background.
Where is Shiva? He's not in the video.
Sure, we are not able to hear you.
London Bridge exercise, I was not able to do it. My body is.
Yeah.
It takes time, but whatever or however you are able to do, try to do it. Don't stop doing
Okay.
it. Okay, just try it. Just continue along with us. Right.
Sure.
Everyone's body is now stiff. Lockdown. You're not going outside. Not going to gym. Not.
True.
Even you have to do these workouts every day. All right. Let's start
Okay.
with the last set of the workout. We'll be in the same steps with the same frequency and same rotation. Right? Start.
Okay.
So we'll start with our first abs workout, which is cross elbow and cross knee. Okay. So take your leg little up, take your neck little up, and then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Touch your elbow to your knees, and then change your leg. The other combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When you touch your elbow to your knee, at that moment, your abs are getting built. So try to touch it, even if you are not able to. Try your best. Let's start with the first combination. Right hand, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Don't relax. Hold it for a moment. It's going to challenge your abs. Let it be. And then relax. The other combination for the last time. Left hand, right leg. And let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't touch the ground. 9, 10, and hold. Hold in that position. Hold the pain and relax. Stand up for our first cardio, which is jumping jack. All right. Let's start our jumping jack with full energy and enjoyment. Today we are doing it the first time. That's why I'm not playing the music. But when you'll be doing tomorrow, play the music and enjoy it. Let's start our jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Now our second abs, dead bug. Go to the dead bug position like this. Okay. And alternatively, take your legs down and up. Don't touch the ground. Okay. Take your neck little up and start with me. 1, 2. Do it slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do it for the last time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Stand up for our next cardio, which is jumping rope. Okay, imagine you have the rope in your hand and start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change jumping style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last time, jumping jacks. Sorry, jumping rope. 1, 2, 3. You can go to the side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. You have to make the workout as enjoying moment. So keep trying, experimenting with yourself, and whatever you like, continue with that. Now we'll do with our third abs workout. Lay down on your back, stretch your legs exactly at the top, aiming at the sky. Bend your knees a little. Take your hands up and try to touch your toes with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then take your toes a little down. Make the 90 degree in your knees. And then do the same repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. All right. Let's stand up for our third cardio, which is side lunges. Hope you still remember how side lunges looks like this. 1 and then second. Okay. Hand should go cross opposite side, whereas leg should go in the same direction. Right leg, right hand side, whereas right hand to the left. And then the opposite combination like this. All right. Let's go in the momentum. Let's enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go as low as possible. 10, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last train. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Right. Let's go to our next abs workout, which is the dirty plank. Right. So, dirty plank. Keep your elbows in tight, straight, and put your hands on your palms. Take your hips little up Okay, and take your knees towards the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Right. Now we'll do our next cardio, which is our knee raises. Okay. If you're tired, just keep doing it slowly, but don't give up. Okay. You're the Lions champions. Let's go. Let's do our knee raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Let's go for our last abs workout, which is London Bridge. Shriram, you can just watch it first, and then you can start. Your palms and elbows on the ground. Your shoulders are exactly above your elbows, and take your hip little up, and then go to your and keep some distance in your legs. Go towards your right and then left. Right and left. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And our last cardio workout, which is the spot jogging. Come on, guys, let's run. Let's run for the run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Give yourself a round of applause. We have just completed our main workout, and now we'll move to the most important part, stretching. The learning I have got is, irrespective of you're doing the workouts or not, do the stretching. If you have 10-15 minutes, do stretching instead of workout, because workout will tear your muscles, and if you're not doing stretching, they will not get relaxed. And if because of any reason you have lack of protein and nutrition, you'll go into the pain mode, and you guys know how the pain feels. All right, so let's go to our important part, stretching. Before stretching, let's relax. We're tired, so we'll relax with inhale and exhale. Okay, bend down, and when you're going down, exhale, and coming up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Deep breath. Take deep breath. Exhale, inhale. We go because we are going out of breath. It's very, very important for our body to take sufficient amount of oxygen. All right. So that's the reason whenever you have done the workout, take good amount of inhaling, exhaling of oxygen. the best way to do is pranayam. Okay. All right. Now we'll go to our stretching. We'll start with our leg. Okay. Take your leg. Where should I show you? Not sure if you are able to see me. Take your legs, toe, put it in the wall, and stick to your walls. Put your chest on the wall. Okay. I'll just show you here. All right. Okay. You're able to see my leg. Okay. Put it there and take your body ahead. Take your chest towards the wall. And you're getting very good stretch in your hamstring. Be in that pain position for a while. The muscles are getting relaxed. Don't worry about the pain. All right. Take it. Change the leg. All right. Second leg. Again, put it on the wall. Take your chest to the wall. All right. Relax. All right. Next, take your leg, one leg ahead, and take your hands towards your toe, but don't touch it. Don't touch your hands or toes anywhere. Just let it be hanging in the air. Or if you can, hold your palms, make it a fist, and flexible people, try to touch your forehead to your knee. Like this. You can see me here.
Yeah.
You might not be able to do it on the day one, but the goal is to stretch your this muscle, right? Then take the second leg ahead. Take the second leg ahead, and then again take your hands towards your toes and try to touch your forehead to your knees. Build that discomfort for some time and then come up once you're done. All right. Next is little difficult if you have not done it early in the past, but very, very important stretching, which is called extended Vajrasan. Okay. If you follow yoga, you might be knowing about the position, this position. This is Vajrasan position. Okay. Your leg should be outside and place your hip in the cavity of between your two legs, like this. All right. This is called the Vajrasan position. And when you extend your body towards the back side and stretch your hands, it is called extended Vajrasan. I'll show you how it looks, and then follow me. Okay. Take the help of your elbow to go to the back and lay down like this and stretch your hands.
Oh my God.
It is difficult, but try to do it. You will really enjoy throughout your day.
My
It's
ankle.
one of the best stretching for complete body.
That
From
is very difficult.
bottom, legs to hands, everything.
This is so difficult, man.
And we are the boys, we do the difficult things. Try to do it. We are not normal people. We are the players, champions. We are playing level 1 this season. So stretch your body, do the difficult things, and then once done, try to come up with your elbows. Take your help of your elbows and slowly come up. If because of any reason you're not able to come up, just spread your legs and then sleeping position and then come up. All right, this was extended Vajrasan. Okay, very, very helpful. Now we will do Cobra position. Okay, this is called Bhujangasana in our Indian yoga science. Okay, put your palms near your chest. Okay, and take your upper body towards the sky. and your elbow should be completely stretched. No holding in your elbow, and look towards up. Raise your head to the high. Be in that position. Bear the pain, bear the discomfort. It's good for your body. Then go down for some time. Relax, relax. And then the same position once again for the last time. Let's put our body in discomfort. Inhale and exhale continuously so that your cells are not starving for oxygen. And then relax. Be in the sitting position. Again, the Vajrasana position like this, and do the child pose. Okay, go towards front and be in this child pose. Your children should be able to do it very, very easily because their body is flexible. But we have to make our body like a child, so flexible that we can do anything with our body. All right. And then sit in Sukhasana. Okay, not Sukhasana, but normal position, and spread your legs 180 degree as much as possible. The ideal is 180 degree, but spread your legs as much as possible. Okay, and then with your hands, pick your first finger of your toe. Okay, and put your body in this discomfort. Try to go down as much as possible. If you're not able to do, just try to do it. Your elbows are straight. Your knees are straight. There is no folding anywhere. This is complete staging. And then slowly relax. Release your body. Then take your both the hands. Go towards left hand side. And then again pick your toes and take your forehead to the knees. Hold that discomfort for a moment and then relax. Then go towards your right hand side. Okay. Pick your toes with your hands and then forehead to the knees. And then relax. All right. Now sit in Sukhasana, the normal sitting position. Okay. Indian style sitting position. Okay. Now take your right hand, put it on the knee of the left leg. Okay. And then left hand on your waist like this. If you can see my hand. And then mold your body towards left hand side as much as possible. Don't complain to your body that it is rigid. It is our mind which is not flexible. Try to do it. Your body should be slave of your mind, and it is. All right. Come back. Then on the other side. Okay. Take your left hand, put it on the right knee, your right hand towards your waist, and then mold your body towards right hand side. Try to mold as much as possible. Put the discomfort in your body. Feel the pain and then relax. Then let's do some more stretching for our hands or arms. Okay, this we do regularly in your cricket field. Push your elbow with the one hand. Try to push as much as possible. Okay, take your neck into the hand like this. Right. We need all the muscles of our body to be relaxed. Okay, stretching is very, very important. And then with the other hand. Shriram, you can do this. Your hands are very flexible. All right. Then please stand up for our last two stretching. Okay. One of my favorite stretching, which is the Krishna position. Okay. Take your one leg, put it just beside your other leg, not up, down, on the ground, on the ground. Just cross your legs like this. Okay. And then take your hand and mold it. Hold it, mold it. Be in that discomfort. Keep the discomfort. And then come up. And same on the other side. All right, relax. And the last, the most happiest stretching is hug yourself. Congratulate yourself, hug yourself. You have done the best work today, and your body is so happy with you. With that, we are done for the day. Thank you so much, Lawrence, for following me.
Thank you, Deepak.
Great, Deepak. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Deepak.
Brilliant. Thank you,
I hope-
Deepak. Well done.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
any questions?